In this video, we are going to see how we can disable or remove the uBlock original Lite extension in Brave browser, or basically how we can remove any extension in Brave browser. So it is a pretty straightforward process. What you can do is just click on the 3 lines at the top right hand corner. And once you're in here, just click on settings at the bottom. On the left hand side, you will see this extensions. Click on that. And here you will see manage extensions. If you have already installed some of the extensions, just click on that. And as you can see, there are a couple of extensions. So this is uBlock Lite. If you just want to temporarily disable this, just toggle this off, or otherwise remove it completely by clicking on remove. Click remove, and let's remove the other one as well. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.